Welcome back, my smart friend. Have you ever heard someone say, "I left my left shoe at home," and got totally confused? Don't worry. Today we're jumping into the tricky world of homonyms. They confuse native speakers too. Bark. Same spelling, different meanings. Bark, verb, the sound a dog makes. Bark, noun, the outer layer of a tree. My dog always barks when someone knocks. The bark of the tree was thick and rough. Don't say tree skin. That's not correct. Bat. Same spelling, different meanings. Bat, noun, flying animal. Bat, noun, an object used to hit a ball in sports. I saw a bat flying in the dark. He hit the ball with a baseball bat. Use context to know if it's about animals or sports. Well. Same spelling, different meanings. Well, adverb, good health or condition. Well, noun, deep hole to access water. She didn't feel well, so she stayed home. They got water from the old well. Good and well are not always the same thing. Right. Same spelling, different meanings. Right, adjective, correct. Right, noun / adverb, the opposite of left. You gave the right answer. Turn right at the traffic light. Also used in human rights or legal rights. Watch. Same spelling, different meanings. Watch, verb, to look at something for a period of time. Watch, noun, a small clock you wear on your wrist. Let's watch a movie tonight. I forgot my watch at home. Don't confuse watch on your wrist with clock on the wall. Spring. Same spelling, different meanings. Spring, noun, a season of the year. Spring, noun, a coil that bounces. I love the flowers in spring. The spring under the sofa is broken. Spring can also mean jump, be ready for surprises. Nail. Same spelling, different meanings. Nail, noun, hard covering on fingers and toes. Nail, noun, a small metal spike. I painted my nails red. He hammered a nail into the wall. Same word, but one is beauty, the other is construction. Lie. Same spelling, different meanings. Lie, verb, to be in a horizontal position. Lie, verb, to say something that is not true. I need to lie down and rest. Don't lie to your friends. The past of lie position is lay. Tricky grammar alert. Match. Same spelling, different meanings. Match, noun, a competition or game. Match, noun, a stick that makes fire. The soccer match was exciting. He lit the candle with a match. In sports, match. In fire, matchstick. Light. Same spelling, different meanings. Light, noun, something that makes things visible. Light, adjective, not heavy. I need more light to read this book. This bag is really light. I can carry it. It can also mean pale in color or not serious in mood. Okay, now it's time for our homonym challenge. Look at this sentence. Can you close the window? I can't bear the noise. What does bear mean here? A. A big animal. B. To tolerate/endure. C. A mistake in writing. Let's see who gets it right. Nice work today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite homonym. I'll see you in the next lesson. And remember, learning English is fun, especially when the words play tricks on you. Bye for now.